Assalamualaikum and hi! So today we are from group 2 and we are going to present to you about compounded interest and annuity, which is a subject from MAT 112. So let's start! Before that, I'm going to introduce to you our group members. So here we go! Case study 1. You are assigned to set up a gaming PC business and have to borrow a 20,000 loan for 5 years. There are 2 banks that you have surveyed for that loan. Below are the details of the bank. As you can see here, we have 2 banks. For the first one is Batrisya Bank that has the interest rate charge for 5.54% compounded semi-annually, and Istiqomah Bank that has the interest rate charge for 5.75% compounded quarterly. So the question is, A. Calculate the total interest charge for each bank. For Batrisya Bank, you need to know the keyword from the statement given, which is the highlight parts. So, for the first one is borrow a 20,000 loan, which is P, and then 5 years, which is T, and then interest rate charge for Batrisya Bank is 5.54%, which is you need to convert it to 0.0554, and lastly, compounded semi-annually, which is M equal to 2. And then, after you get all the information, you need to substitute into the formula, which is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket and power of N. And then you will get the final answer, which is S equal to RM 26,284 ringgit and 13 cents. After you get this final answer, you need to substitute into the formula I equal to S minus P, which is the formula to find the total interest charge for Batrisya Bank. And then you will get the final answer, which is I equal to RM 6,284 ringgit and 13 cents. For Istiqomah Bank, it's the same as Batrisya Bank, but there will be a difference for M and R, which is interest rate charge for Istiqomah Bank is 5.75%, which is you need to convert it to 0.0575, and lastly, compounded quarterly, which is M equal to 4. After you get all this value, you need to substitute into the formula, which is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of N, and then you will get the final answer, which is S equal to RM 26,607 ringgit and 30 cents. After that, you need to substitute the final answer into the formula of total interest charge for Istiqomah Bank, which is I equal to S minus P, and then you will get the final answer, which is I equal to RM 6,607 ringgit and 30 cents.
So, next question is B. Which company should you choose to borrow the loan based on your answer in E, and give your reason? The answer is, so based on our answer just now in E, I will choose Batrisya Bank to borrow the loan because the interest charge is lower than the Istiqomah Bank. Next, question C. Answer the following question C, depending on the bank you selected in B. So, after 3 years, the bank changed the rate to 6% compounded monthly. How much should you pay at the end of 5 years? And calculate the total interest paid. We highlight the keyword, which is rate to 6% compounded monthly and at the end of 5 years. So R, we know that R equals to 0.06 and compounded monthly M equals to 12. So for the first 3 years, we use the origin rate compounded semi-annually, which is M equals to 2, R equals to 0.0554, and P, which is principal, the amount that he borrowed, which is 20,000, and the T equals to 3 because the first 3 years. So we substitute all the value into the formula, which is S equals to P 1 plus I the power of N, and we will get the answer is 23,562 ringgit and 87 cents. So for the next 2 years, the principal is the value of we calculated just now, which is the first 3 years that we calculate. So P equals to 23,562 ringgit and 87 cents, and R equals to 0.06, M equals to 12, because the bank suddenly changed the rate for the next 2 years. So after that, we substitute all the value into the same formula of compound interest, which is S equal to P 1 plus I the power of N, and we will get the amount that he should pay at the end of the 5 years is RM 26,559 ringgit and 12 cents. So for the interest paid, we calculated that with the formula I equals to S minus P. We substitute all the value of S and P, and we will get the answer is RM 6,559 ringgit and 12 cents.
A few moments later.
Let's proceed to case study 2. Mr. Asri is a manager at company ABC Holding Berhad. He is going to retire soon and would like to maintain his lifestyle in retirement. He has 2 choices. The first alternative is to withdraw the 3,500,000 from his KWSP account and invest the whole amount in the account of an annuity scheme that pay 0.9% compound monthly. This way, he will get 10,000 ringgit every month until the account is empty. Joining a private retirement plan is another choice. Under this plan, he will get 10,000 ringgit every month for 28 years. Question A is, which opinion should Mr. Asri choose? Justify your answer with relevant calculation. We have to compare the two options and list down all the information given. Option 1. The future value is 3,500,000. The amount of periodic deposit is 10,000. The rate is 0.009 and it compounds monthly, which is M equal to 12. And we have to find the T. While option 2 is the big R is 10,000 while the T is 28 years. So we have to compare how many years for each option. By using the information that we have listed down just now, so we have to substitute into the A formula. For this question is different from others question because we have to use log to find the T. The answer for this question is T equals to 34 years. For option 2 is T equals to 28 years. So after we had compared the option 1 and option 2, I think Mr. Asri should choose option 1 because he will get the money every month longer, which is for 34 years, than option 2 that just for 28 years.
After receiving his retirement, Mr. Asri's son needs to use a motorcycle to go to college. Mr. Asri is thinking of buying him a motorcycle through an installment plan by making a down payment of 10% followed by 60 equal monthly payments. He anticipates the motorcycle to cost Rm 11,000 and the interest charge is 8% compounded monthly. For the first one, which is the monthly payment, you need to find the keyword on the statement given, which is R is 8%, which is you need to convert it to 0.08, compounded monthly, which is M equal to 12, and then T, which is 60 equal monthly payments. You must remember that T must be in years, so 60 monthly months, you need to divide it by 12, and then you will get T equal to 5 years. And then you need to calculate the down payment, which is the real price of the motorcycle, which is 11,000. You need to minus with the down payment 10%, which is 1,100, and then you will get 9,900, which is the A. After you get all this value, you need to substitute into the formula, which is A equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of negative n per I. And then you will get the final answer for the monthly payment, which is Rm 274 cents. After you have then calculate the monthly payment, you need to find the interest charge, which is you need to use the formula I equal to Rn minus A. And then you need to substitute the value into the formula. Then you will get the final answer, which is I equal to Rm 2,144 ringgit and 40 cents.
Next question C. If he wants to settle all the loan immediately after paying the 20 monthly payment, one Roman, the question is how much additional payment does he have to make? So this is mean that he wants to settle all the payment with a single payment after paying the 20 monthly payment. So we have to find the new N, which is similar known as K. So this is R equal to 274 cents, R rate equals to 0.08 and M equals to 12. So the origin N, which is 60, have to minus with 20 and we'll get the new N, similar known as K, is 40. So the formula is A equals to R, the bracket 1 minus 1 plus I, the power of negative N divided by I. So we substitute all the value into the formula of A and we will get the answer is Rm 7,027 ringgit and 71 cents. So for C2 Roman, how much interest is paid? We have to use the formula of I equals to Rn minus A. We substitute the value of R 274 cents and equals to 40 and A equals to 7,037 ringgit and 71 cents, and we will get the answer is Rm 1,001 ringgit and 89 cents.
Let's proceed to the last question. If he has not paid his first 3 monthly payment, how much should he pay for his fourth payment to settle all outstanding errors? Then we have to list down all the information given. The big R is 200 ringgit and 74 cents. The R is 0.08 and it compound monthly, which is M equals to 12. So we have to substitute all the information given into the S formula. Don't forget to change the N equals to 4. The final answer of this question is 811 ringgit 3 cents.